Hi all. Today we can discuss about the topic new product development in a marketing management aspect. Let's look to the contents. What is new product? What is new product development? What is new product development process? With the current example, we can look to this topic. So, what is new product? Before looking to this, what is new product? When we hear about new product, what comes to our mind first? We will think that, okay, new product. New product will be something which is newly invented, new in origin, first to the market, right? But when we are looking it in a marketing management aspect, a new product can be of three types. First is product innovation created and brought to the market for the first time, as we told earlier. So it is product innovation which is created, brought to the market for the first time. Secondly, it can be completely original products or existing product which is modified and improved. So it can be a product, even it can be an existing product too, but it is a modified and improved product. For example, now the current example one I will tell, that is now Vivo smartphone has introduced an X50 Pro series, which is now available in the advertisements and all. Firstly, they had introduced gimbal cam in their smartphone. So it is a modified and improved version. So we can tell it is a new product to the marketplace. Why? Because it is having new facility or new specification other than from the earlier existing product. Next is product that your business has never made or sold before but have been taken to market by others. So for your business, it is the first ever product or a new product, but it is already in the market which is taken by other business firm. So in this three way we can classify new product. Going to the next topic, what is new product development? Simply, it is a process of bringing new product to the marketplace. So, we are bringing this new product to the marketplace. That is called new product development. Then, when we are introducing a new product or when we are taking part in innovation, we should be very clear about three things. First thing is what their market want. What is the want of market? We all know consumers are the king. Only if we have introduced a product which satisfies the want of consumer only, it can be a profit earning one. So before innovating or before introducing a new product, we should be very clear. We should be very clear about market wants. Second thing, we should make smart product improvement. Smart product improvement is very needed. Why? Because the competition is very high. Day by day new products are coming. Even the competitors, similar competitors firms are always introducing similar item. So, in order to withstand in the market, in order to seek the attention of consumers, our product should be smart product with smart product improvement. So, it is a very important thing we should take into consideration. And thirdly, developing new product that meet and exceed customer expectation. That is very unique two terms. That is meet and exceed. Our new product not only want to meet the customer expectation, it also need to exceed the customer expectation. Why? If the product only meet the customer expectation means they will not recommend it to others. They will, okay, the product is okay, it meet my expectation. But when the product exceed the customer expectation, surely they will refer it to friends, family, relatives. They will tell, wow, the product is superb. You must want to earn that product. Why? Because it is worth of money, it is very useful. Actually, it is something, it has some wow factor. So when the new product exceed customer expectation level, it can earn lot of profit in the marketplace. So this is about new product, a bad idea about new product development. Then some of the things we should be very clear when we are innovating a product or when we are introducing a new product to the marketplace. Next is, what are the process of new product development? I only gave a vague idea about new product development. I simply told what we are bringing new product to the marketplace. But the process is very long. It includes 8 steps. They are idea generation, idea screening, concept development and testing, marketing strategies, business analysis, product development, test marketing, and finally commercialization. So we can analyze and we can go through these steps in very detailed manner. First is idea generation. What is an idea? Idea is something which is having a sparkle in our mind and the outcome will be very good. It's an imagination of our mind of what this and these things we can do in future, right? So we can look into details. Ideas form the spine of the new product development. They stem from market opportunities and can be innumerable. Their stage involves large pool of ideas from both internal and external sources. So their stage include pooling of ideas from various sources. The sources can be both internal and external sources. So what can be the internal sources? Internal sources can be research and development team and employees. Why? Because than an entrepreneur or the owner of a business firm, these people are working in that particular business firm. They are common people other than the entrepreneur. They know both the vibe of their business and outside world. So, research and development team. In the business world, they are always researching for new development. What are the things needed newly to their business? So they are always in that search, right? So they are one people, and the next team is employees. Employees can also give lot of ideas for improving and modifying their product and introducing even the new product too. Then new product ideas from the external sources. External sources can be competitors, channel of distribution and consumers. Competitors. From them we have to learn more. We are learning more, right? Why? Because competitors are the people who are introducing similar type of items in the market. So, if they introduce a new feature or new specification, we'll get an idea. Oh, I can also introduce this type of things. Why? Because when we are able to introduce new and modified things only, improved technologies, improved things only, we can able to withstand in the marketplace. Then, channel of distribution. Just like suppliers, wholesalers, retailers, all have lot of ideas to tell us. Why? Because they are dealing with both the business and the consumers. So, They will be having ideas about what the consumer really need, what they want. Why? Because they are asking to them. To them, is this product available? Is the product with this type of features available with you? So they can give lot of ideas. Then consumers. Consumers are the real king, right? They are the people who are in want of a particular item. So they will be having lot of expectation. It's the duty of a business firm to meet this expectation. So they will be having lot of ideas for introducing for an upcoming product. They will be having expectation. We can change that expectation to our new product. So with numerous techniques, thus internal and external sources ideas are collected. That thing is done in the idea generation phase. Secondly, idea screening. Lot of ideas are pulled together. Now it is our part to evaluate the pool and drop as many ideas as possible for consideration. Here, the ideas are evaluated and some of them are dropped, some of them are taken. So, both of these steps, idea is playing the major role. The idea is collected and idea is screened. Now we have certain set of ideas with us. So the next step is concept development and testing. An idea is different from concept. Why? Idea is only having a vague description, right? We are having an expectation, that is idea. But concept is something more in detail. So, idea is just a mental construct of business possibility or opportunity, but a concept is an idea that has gone through the process of fine-tuning and is less inconsistent. So these two words are important in this. Idea is just a mental construct of business possibility, but the concept is more fine-tuned and which is less inconsistent. A concept is a presentable version of ideas. We can present our ideas, that is, okay, this and this are my product specification. This and this are my target audience. This and this are the product potential value proposition I am going to give. This detail about the product we can give in this concept development stage. That is, who are my potential target audience, what is my product usage, and what potential value proposition I am planning to give. This type of ideas are having taken consideration in this stage. And going to the next stage, marketing strategy development. In this stage, a detailed description of some factors are given. We can look into that factors. First is targeted market size structure. What size of markets we are targeting. Then behavior of market. The market of which behavior we are targeting. Planned value proposition. Value proposition is how much price we can give to that particular product. How much value we can assign to that particular product we are going to introduce. That is planned value proposition. Then product positioning, where we can position our product in a well manner. Position is very important. Wrong positioning can even make the profitable new product to a loss one. So positioning is very important. Then what can be the sales size, market share, profit goals, and this type of things. Again, pricing strategy, distribution strategy, then market budget for the first year. So this type of things we are going to discuss here. That is planned long-term sales, profit goals. So here, marketing strategy development area, all this strategy, profit strategy, marketing mix strategy, then profit goals, market share, pricing strategy, distribution strategies, all these strategies are discussed. So now our idea is turned to concept, and from that concept we are testing all the things, all strategies we are analyzing. The next step is business analysis. Business analysis involves some more in detail from the marketing strategy. That is, costs involved in producing, marketing and selling. What is the real cost involved for the producing of particular product, marketing of particular product and selling of particular product. Then what will be the projected sales? We will project the sale for a particular time span. If you project the sales for a particular time span only, we can project the profit which can be earned by your business firm. So, these three things are taken into consideration in the business analysis area. Next step is product development. Actually, it is somewhat different from the other above 4 stages. Why? Because in the other 4 stages, our product is just only existed in word, a prototype or a drawing. But here, first of all, our product is changed to an actual product development. It is changed to a version which can be evaluated by others. So a product, the work is handed over to the research and development department for actual product development. So the idea is changed to concept, and we have checked both the business strategies, marketing strategies and business analysis, and now it is changed to ideas, concepts and actual product development team handed over the new product. First of all, 2 testing is done here, alpha testing and beta testing. So what is alpha testing? Alpha testing is the testing of product within the firm to make sure whether it fits the standard set. So in above 2 steps, marketing strategy and business analysis, we have set certain standard for the product. So how the real product we developed fit the standard which we had already assigned. That is tested in alpha testing stage. Beta testing involves launching MVP or test version in the market. MVP means minimum viable product, which means a test version of the product is taken to use for initial users. After getting the feedback from the initial users, we will change some of the product specification, some of the alterations are made for the product in order to make it a perfect one. So, with the help of the feedback we are getting from the initial users, these changes are made for the product, and next we are introducing the product directly to the market with the appropriate sales value, sales size, everything we have set. So it is MVP, a test version in the market, and validate the product market fit. It is for what? In order to validate the market fit. However, it does not involve the testing of final product or marketing strategy. It is not the final product. Before final product introduction, a test series is introduced in the market in order to identify the market feasibility, and we can by analyzing the market feasibility, we can make certain alterations and change as per the plan. The next is test market or marketing testing. So once the product is developed, the product is taken to the certain selected marketplace with the proper brand identity and all. So dressed up with brand identity and released in a selected market segment as pilot for testing. Pilot testing is done. That is done in test marketing or market testing. Then the last stage is commercialization. Simply we all know what is commercialization. Just taking the real product to the market, directly to the market, right? Some of the things are needed to be very clear when the product is commercialized. They are: test marketing provides the management with the information needed to make the final decision about the product launch. So here, the product launch decision, the final decision regarding the product launch is faced. Several important decisions are taken during the commercialization stage. That are: introduction time, the best time to launch the product. We all know in India, during Deepavali seasons, during New Year time, lot of new products are introduced. Even some of the launches are earlierly announced and it has been taken to a great festival level. And Amazon, Flipkart, such sort of online delivery apps are giving lot of advertisement before the launch, and in the time of launch, lot of offers and discounts are also given by the brands, right? So introduction timing is very important, the best time to launch the product. Then introduction place, the decision about the place, should it be launched in a single market or should it be launched simultaneously in multiple markets, and such sort of introduction place details, where we can launch a new product. That is also discussed in this commercialization stage. Then future strategies. What should be the strategies once the product is launched in the market? So here we have to be little step forward thinking, right? So here we have to be plan the strategies which is for the product upcoming future. For upcoming future time span of the current product, we are planning strategies in this phase, that is future strategy. So here, what is the introduction timing? Where are the place we are going to introduce? Then some future strategies are planned in this 8th stage. So this is about the new product development process. And we are moving on to the last portion, that is a current scenario. So this is a news which is released in July 25th, 2020 in businesstoday.in, and it strikes me well. Why? Because a wristband predicted coronavirus. IIT Madras startup raises rupees 22 crore for development of product. So this is a no product. Wristband, that is watch, dictate the presence of coronavirus. Now we all know the situation. So the IIT Madras had conducted a research regarding this, and by knowing the market want, okay, the market want is turned to idea. From that idea, they had developed a concept, and that concept is checked all the viability, both the marketing strategy viability, business analysis viability. By evaluating everything, they had developed a product. A product has been developed. That is the wristband predicted coronavirus. And they are in the part of testing and commercialization. So, this is regarding a new current scenario. So, the news is like this: an IIT Madras incubated startup, Muse Wearables, have raised 22 crore to develop a wristband that can detect coronavirus symptoms at an early stage. This wristband will be priced at rupees 3,500 and will be available for consumers across 70 countries by August. Okay, so here the cost they had given is 22 crore, and it is to detect coronavirus. That is to make customer want for this time, the current scenario time. Then it is praised. What is the praising strategy? 3,500. They had praised 3,500 and introduction of that new product is in which month? August. The introduction market they had fixed 70 countries. So all over 70 countries they had introduced the marketplace. Okay. So this is a current scenario of a new product which is developed and introduced in the market for the first time. So I hope you all get some details about new product development. What is new product? What is new product development? What the process involved in this new product development? And we discussed a small example, small current example too. So thanks for watching. Next day I will come up with another new topic for learning. Till then, bye. Take care.